Hey, what's going on, everybody? Isaiah here, back with another recipe video. And right before we get into the video, I want to take this time to explain what happened, why was it such a long delay from the last video. Well, after I uploaded the last video, the strawberry shortcake pancakes, you should definitely check it out. It's really good. I like it. Like literally the day after I uploaded it, my apartment in my old building caught on fire. And I lost almost all my stuff. So I only had about like 99% of the stuff was gone. I only got a couple of items. So from this point going forward, we're just going to be doing dessert recipes now. And the first recipe up with the new uploads is going to be my vegan baked donut recipe. It's really good. It's really simple, straightforward. It's one of the first recipes that I put on the blog, and I decided to make a YouTube video for you guys, and hopefully you'll like it. Let's get into it. First thing you want to do is take your vegan milk, have 3/4 of a cup of oat milk, and take a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and mix it around. Then you're going to set it to the side for about 10 minutes. Then the next thing you want to do is take 1.5 cups of flour, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, then 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and mix it around. Then with the milk mixture, you're going to add 1/4 of a cup of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of applesauce, then mix that until it's combined, and then you're going to add it to the dry mixture. Then you're going to take a rubber spatula and just mix it until it's combined, and then get ready to bake it. Then you're going to take a donut pan. I'm using a silicone one here, and I'm using a piping bag to make less of a mess. Then you're going to fill up the donut pans. It's about 3/4 of the way. And then you're going to bake it in 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes. And while the donuts are baking, you're going to take 1.25 cup of powdered sugar and 3 tablespoons of vegan milk, and you're going to mix it around until it is fully combined. And then you're going to dip the donuts in there, as you'll see me do in a second. Just take one of the donuts out. That's why I love using the silicone donut pans. They're the best in my opinion. And then once you dip it in, I give a little, see me do a little twisting motion as I turn it around. That helps leave like no residue on the sides, and it looks perfect just like that. And then you're just gonna wanna dive right into those donuts. Look at how good those look. I mean, come on, look at it. It's amazing. Simply the best. And that's how you make the best vegan baked donut recipe. And since today is St. Patrick's Day, I decided to make these matcha donuts, as the camera will not focus, and boom, there it is. And the only thing different that I added to the recipe was I just added a teaspoon of matcha powder to the batter, and I just added a 1/2 teaspoon of matcha powder to the glaze. And yeah, boom, you got matcha donuts for my matcha heads out there. Alright, that's pretty much going to wrap up this video. Let me know if you like this new format that I'm trying out with me introing and outroing the video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace.